Hi all. Today we can learn about how to find the solution of a set of linear equations using inverse of a matrix. Here is a question. Solve the system of equations 2x plus 5y equal to 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 7. That is, we need to find these unknowns x and y which satisfies this equation. So here we will find the solution using matrix method. For that, we need to convert this system of equations to matrix form, and from that we can find this x and y. So first we need to convert this to a matrix form. So here Ax equal to B. A is the coefficient matrix. That is, we need to write the coefficient of x and y as a matrix form. Here, 2, 5, 3, 2 are the coefficient of x and y. Just writing it as a matrix like this. Now, x is the unknown matrix. That is, x and y are the unknowns in this system of equations. So just writing that unknowns as a column like this. Now B is the constant matrix, that is 1 and 7 are the constant in this system of equations. So B is the constant matrix like this. So here Ax equal to B is the matrix form of this system of linear equations. Now x equal to A inverse B is the solution of this system of equation. That is, we can find this x matrix just like this, multiplying A inverse with B. So, for that, we need to find inverse of A and multiply that A inverse with B. We will get x. To find A inverse, there exist 2-3 steps. First, we need to find determinant of A. Here, what is the determinant of this matrix? 2 into 2 minus 5 into 3. So, here determinant of A is minus 11. That is, we can find inverse of A. If determinant of A equal to 0, we cannot find the inverse of A. Here, determinant of A is not equal to 0, so we can find the inverse of A. Now, we need to find minor of A. That is, minor of A11, A12, A21, A22. So, minor of A11 is just deleting first row and first column. Just delete first row and first column. So, the determinant of remaining matrix is minor of A11. Here, the remaining is a 1 by 1 matrix which contains only 2. So, here 2 is the determinant of that matrix. So, minor of A11 is 2. Now, minor of A12 is deleting first row and second column. Deleting first row and second column. A remaining 1 by 1 matrix is 3. So, determinant of that 1 by 1 matrix is 3 itself. So, minor of A12 is 3. Now, what is minor of A21? Deleting second row and first column. So, the remaining is 5. Now, what is minor of A22? Deleting second row and second column. So, the remaining is 2. So, we find minor of each element. Now, we need to find cofactor of each element. What is cofactor of A11? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into minor of A11. Here, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into minor of A11 is 2. So, into 2. That is minus 1 raised to 2 is 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. So cofactor of A11 is 2. Now what is cofactor of A12? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Just adding I and j. 1 plus 2 into minor of A12. Here minor of A12 is 3. So minus 1 raised to 3 into 3. That is minus 1 into 3 equal to minus 3. Now cofactor of A21 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. Here 2 and 1 are the ij elements. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into minor of A21 is 5, which is minus 1 into 5, which is equal to minus 5. Similarly, cofactor of A22 is 2. Now, we need to write cofactor matrix. So, here cofactor of A11 is 2, cofactor of A12 is minus 3, cofactor of A21 is minus 5, cofactor of A22 is 2. Now, from this cofactor matrix, we can write adjoint of A. Just transpose of this cofactor matrix is adjoint matrix. So, 2 minus 3 as a column, 2 minus 3. Minus 5, 2 as a column, minus 5, 2. So, automatically, first column becomes first row. Second column becomes second row. So, this is the adjoint of A. Now, what is inverse of A? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So, here adjoint of A is this matrix. So, adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. This is the determinant of A. So, adjoint matrix divided by determinant. This is the inverse of this matrix. That is, for this equation, we find inverse of A. Now, we need to multiply inverse of A with B. So, here, just revising how we find the inverse of A. First step, we need to find determinant of A. Then after that, we need to find minors of each entry. Minor of A11, minor of A12, minor of A21, minor of A22. Then from these minors, we need to find cofactor of each element using the formula minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor of Aij. After that, we need to write cofactor matrix. Then transpose of cofactor matrix is adjoint matrix. Then A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So, in that way, we can find the inverse of A. Now, next step is we need to multiply inverse of A with B. Here, this is the B matrix. So, inverse of A, B matrix. Just multiplying, we know how to multiply two matrices. So, here, first row into first column of this. So, 2 into 1 plus minus 5 into 7. That is 2 minus 35. Second row into first column. Minus 3 into 1 plus 7 into 2. So, we will get like this. So, 2 minus 35 is minus 33. Minus 3 plus 14 is 11. Just dividing 1 by minus 11 into minus 33, or just dividing minus 33 by minus 11. We will get 3. 11 by minus 11. We will get minus 1. So, here x is 3 minus 1. That is, just equating these two matrices, x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 1. So, here the solutions is x equal to 3 and the value of y is -1. So first we need to find inverse of the coefficient matrix, and multiplying that inverse of A with B, we will get the unknown matrix X. So here you need to do each calculation carefully. Here is one more question. Solve this system of equations using matrix method. Here this is the system of equation. So here this is the formula Ax equal to B. So this is the coefficient matrix. So unknown matrix and constant matrix. Now we need to find inverse of A. First step, determinant of A. 5 into 3 minus 2 into 7. Second step, minor of each element. Minor of A11, minor of A12, minor of A21, minor of A22. Then cofactor of A11, cofactor of A12, cofactor of A21, cofactor of A22. Please go through each step carefully. Now, cofactor matrix is this. Cofactor of A11, cofactor of A12, cofactor of A21, cofactor of A22. Now, transpose of this cofactor matrix is the adjoint of A. Now, inverse of A is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So, here determinant of A is 1. So, this matrix divided by 1. So, we got inverse of A and B. Now, x equal to A inverse into B. So, this is the inverse of A. Here, 1, this adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1. So, adjoint matrix and inverse are same here. So, this matrix into 4, 5. Now, multiplying first row with first column, second row with the second column. We will get like this. So, here the answer, the final answer is x equal to 2 and y equal to -3. Please go through each step one by one. There is one more question. Try to do yourself. Pause the video here and do yourself. You can check your answer with this. So here final answer is x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. Please do more problem. Then it will be more clear to you. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please put your suggestions and doubts in the comment section. We can discuss that in upcoming videos. Now, thank you all.